How to make varnish from cashew nut shells. Hey there, science explorers. Welcome to Ideazoom Academy. Did you know that cashew nut shells contain a special liquid that can be turned into a strong natural varnish? Today, we're going to learn how to make it. Extract, CNSL. Two methods exist. One method is heating the shells to around 100 and 7200 C, which makes the liquid inside ooze out. The second method is pressing the shells using a machine to squeeze out the CNSL. This dark, thick liquid is the main ingredient for our varnish. Next, we heat the extracted CNSL to about 200-250 C. This process makes it more durable, water-resistant, and suitable for use as a varnish. We stir it continuously to prevent burning and ensure even consistency. Now, to make the varnish easier to apply, we mix it with a solvent like turpentine, linseed oil, or xylene. This helps adjust the viscosity and allows it to spread smoothly on surfaces. To improve the varnish's strength and shine, we add rosin or synthetic resin. This enhances the coating's durability and gives it a glossy finish. To make sure the varnish dries quickly after application, we add a small amount of cobalt or manganese dryer. Only a little is needed to speed up the drying process. Finally, we filter the varnish to remove any impurities and store it in an airtight container. And that's it. We have made a natural, eco-friendly varnish from cashew nut shells. This varnish is waterproof, heat-resistant, and durable, making it perfect for wood coatings, metal protection, and industrial use. Who knew cashew nut shells could be this useful? Try this process and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ideazoom Academy for more amazing science facts. See you next time.